Are you wanting to drop 2 to 3 dress sizes in the next 3 to 6 months without starving yourself, having to be 100% perfect, or become a slave to exercise?
I've lost, unbelievably, 6 stone and 1 pound, which I'm absolutely thrilled about. And before I started on the Coach Me Slim and Trim programme, I was a size 20, a large size 20 with elasticated waist, and now I'm between a size 10 and 12.
Hi, my name's Erak Simsson, a former Army physical training instructor, now specialising in weight loss, helping people to achieve their goals using a holistic combination of mindset coaching, diet and exercise. When you subscribe to the Coach Me Slim and Trim YouTube channel, you'll get practical tips, insights and examples of how you can lose weight, tone up and improve your overall health and well-being. You'll get to learn 3 specific things: how to stay motivated so you avoid self-sabotage, the best food combinations for natural and healthy weight loss without having to starve yourself, and of course how to tone, shape and strengthen your body using simple, quick and safe exercises. I upload videos regularly, so go ahead, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell so that you can be notified whenever I release a new video.
Really, this for me has been life-changing and it doesn't feel like a flash in the pan.
So go ahead, subscribe today and don't forget to hit that bell button so that you can be notified whenever I release a new video. Bye for now.